Hey man, it took about 2 months, feel like probably a little over 2 months to get these two packages in. We gonna talk about it. Probably the most hyped up, worst shoe to release of 2023. A lot to say about these two sneakers in here. Actually, it's the same sneaker, doubled up on them. We got to break them down for the Vintage Squad. Check them out and see what you guys got to say about these two sneakers, man. Yo, if you already secured a pair today on FLX, on Champs, on JD Sports, anywhere, if you got these joints confirmed, man, please let me know right now down below in the comment section. I will be dropping, already dropped a full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 8 playoffs. Top two for me, bro. Top two, top three. I don't know yet, bro. I love the sneaker right here, man. Every time I come into the sneaker room, I check these things out, bro. That's how hard they are. This is how long I've been waiting for the sneaker. And right now, down below in the comment section, man, drop a fire emoji if you will be grabbing these things tomorrow, bro. Retail is $210, which is pretty steep. And I'm hearing that it's not as many pairs as, UNC told. So it could, potentially fly off a sneakers app, fly off the shelves. We shall see what happens. But I'm still contemplating on a double up over these Air Jordan 8 playoffs, man. So let me know down below in the comment section if you're gonna be copping. Subscribe to the channel right now if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Shouldn't miss out on any content that we do drop over here. You guys know the content gonna keep rolling. And I do want to say, man, thank y'all. What am I doing? Thank y'all so much, bro. We hit 79,000 subscribers, bro. That is super crazy, man. I'm so grateful to see that. Like yesterday, I had to take the day off, kind of like. I was like, I got content to do. I was like, man, I just gotta, sit back and just appreciate, 79,000 subscribers on YouTube, man. I appreciate you guys. One more 1,000 away from giving away a pair of Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. You guys already know the giveaway rules will be linked down below in the description box, man. So do not sleep. Go check it out. ASAP Rocky, so you can win a free pair of Gratitude Air Jordan 11s, man. All right, so the time is here, bro. Let's go ahead and get into these two sneakers. Hopefully I got the knife around me. I don't. Yeah, we do. It's right here. The knife right here. What I'm talking about, bro. We got the knife, bro. We got the Rambo knife. It's here. So let's go ahead and get into them, bro. Like I said, I waited about I don't know if it was 3 months or if it was 2 months. I can't remember even when these dropped. That's how long it's been. It almost felt like the Union drop. You guys know when the Unions came out, it took a whole month to ship the sneaker out. And these came out before the Union. So that should tell you something right there without spoiling the unboxing and spoiling what we do have in here. But what's crazy is the resale is pretty steep for this sneaker, man. I don't know what's going on with it, bro. Like, sometimes the sneaker community definitely be just confusing me sometimes because these right here going for more than a lot of different sneakers that's out on the market today. So let's go ahead and open these things up, bro. When y'all see the box, you're gonna say, yo, I know exactly what these are. So let's go ahead and show it real quick. And 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. You'll see that, right? It says Nike Air Force One, but this is not your normal Nike Air Force One in the box. So let's read the official colorway. This is the women's Air Force One 07. And I got these in a size 10, which is a 8.5 in men, right? Okay, we good. Yeah, I wear size 8.5 in my Air Force Ones. They kind of fit big, but white, and white. All white, bro. Check it out. All white right there, as you guys can see. Nothing else. Blanco for these Air Force Ones. Let's peel it open. And these are super generic, bro. It's like a normal pair of Air Force Ones, which is crazy. You got the AF1 going all over the tissue paper right there. And let's see what these things is looking like, bro. Hold on, let's see. Okay, you see they look like a normal Air Force One from this side, right? You flip it over to this side and you got the Utopia Travis Scott Air Force Ones, man. And these are a normal pair of Air Force Ones. It's nothing different. It's nothing. It look, they literally only drew on. Where my Sharpie at, bro? I got a brown Sharpie, man, just for this video right here. I know it's over here somewhere. Hold on, y'all. Oh, actually, it's a green Sharpie. But like they only got a Sharpie and put Utopia on here, bro. This is crazy, like, bro. Got Utopia and it has Cactus Jack on the side. Hopefully that picks up, man. Go ahead and focus real good. You see that, right? This is what I paid for, bro. And I think the retail was pretty high, like for Air Force One. You guys know they usually retail for like 80 or 90 bucks. Let me go ahead and check real quick, bro. Let's check on StockX, man. I don't know, bro. Is these the most hyped up sneaker of the year, which happens to be probably the worst drop because it had too much hype behind it, bro. Like, these even restock. That's why I do have multiple pairs. So first, let me go ahead and show the other pair real quick because, man, this is crazy, bro. This is what I waited 3 months for. a pair of Air Force Ones with the Utopia Travis Scott logo drew on the side, bro. Like, I mean, it's a clean pair of Air Force Ones. You guys know, gotta have a clean, crispy pair. But as far as the hype, but as far as, you know, the whole Travis Scott, you know, collabing with it didn't take all this, bro. Like, the hype was not needed at all. They could just drop these normally. But I'm gonna show the resale price because last time I checked, they were pretty steep. But first, let's go ahead and show y'all both of the Air Force Ones. This must be the men's pair right here because the box is a little bit bigger. So go and get in here real quick, man. You guys see it? Nike Air Force One on the top right here. And nah, it's both women's. I don't understand. Both women's Air Force One 07s. And I got these in the size 10, which is an 8.5 in men. And yes, sir, like I said, we got another pair of Air Force One Travis Scott Utopia joints, man. So let's get both of these out, and then we're gonna check what the resale looking like. Why are these worth so much money, bro? I don't understand. I don't think these should be worth that much money. Yo, real quick, man, I didn't even know these joints dropped as a woman's exclusive. That's why I'm a little confused on why I have a woman's shoe right here. I'm so lost on what's going on right now. This probably has to be one of the worst drops. I just checked the value of these things. They dropped tremendously, bro. They dropped tremendously. Let me look at the market value. Let me go ahead and log in real quick because I could have swore at one point in time these were going for a lot of money. So I'm gonna put a little screenshot over here on StockX. It kind of shows like the peak of what the value was at one point in time. Let me go ahead and turn that brightness down real quick. But you guys can see, man, it's all the way up there near the $300 price range. I don't know if you're picking it up down there at the bottom. So these things were going for, you know, one point in time about $300-400. Now they're going for right around retail, which is kind of crazy. So I don't know, man, probably the most hyped up, the worst drop. I'm kind of trying to wrap it up into one thing because I don't understand, bro. I got a women's, you know what I'm saying, box. I got a women's sizing, but when I bought them on, you know what I'm saying, Travis Scott website, there were men's sizes, size 8.5. So maybe that's why it took so long. They had to find some more, you know what I'm saying, all white G Fazos to put that Utopia on the sign. But was it worth it, bro? Was it worth the 150? At the retail was either 150 or 140. I can't remember, but I don't think it was worth it, man. I would have just rather spend 80 bucks on just a normal all white pair of G Fazos, bro. This is crazy, man. So let me know right now down below in the comment section if you did secure one of these bad boys right here. Like I said, they dropped like 2-3 months ago. They're finally in today, and I ain't gonna lie, I'm highly disappointed, bro, just because, like, yo, what is this? It's just a white pair of Air Force Ones, but they shipped them out in women's boxes and women's shoes, bro. What? Travis Scott, like, come on, bro. You gotta do better than that. At least one of these pairs will be over on my closet page on Instagram, selling a pair. I only need one pair. I don't even remember buying 2 pairs. But thinking back, I think I did do that. I don't know why. But yeah, we do have them joints in today. I'm gonna throw them on feet real quick at the end of this video. But let me know right now down below in the comment section if you secured a pair, they trash, they fire. Let me know what y'all think. It is a Travis Scott, but it's an Air Force One. And it ain't that great in my honest opinion. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we drop. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. That'll be greatly appreciated. Hope y'all enjoying the content. Again, let me know if you will be snagging a pair of Air Jordan 8 playoffs tomorrow. You guys know we're gonna do a recap after the drop to see how everybody day went, of course. So with all that being said, man, thanks for tapping in. And let's go ahead and throw these Air Force One Travis Scott Utopia joints on feet. Highly disappointed, man.